After a car accident, you might feel fine at first, but hours or days later, your neck or back can start to tighten up. Those painful knots or cramps are muscle spasms, and they're your body's way of trying to protect injured areas. At StoneBridge Chiropractic in Richfield, we see this quite often. The sudden force from a collision can strain muscles, irritate spinal joints, and disrupt your spinal alignment. When that happens, your muscles go into overdrive trying to stabilize your spine, which only creates more pain and stiffness. Our care focuses on identifying and addressing the root cause of the problem. We utilize gentle chiropractic adjustments, electric muscle stimulation, therapeutic ultrasound, massage, and rehabilitation exercises to relax tight muscles and restore normal movement. Our goal is to help you heal faster, move easier, and feel like yourself again. If you're experiencing back or neck tightness after a car accident, don't wait. Contact StoneBridge Chiropractic today or book your appointment online.